Hello and welcome back to your Islamiyat class. Let me tell you a very important thing that this class is the last class of this session and you people will be done with your whole book, inshallah. Yes, this lecture is the last lecture which I am recording for you people because the next week is for revision in which you have to do the different kind of assessments, fill in blanks and kind of different things. So week 23, day 2 and 3 and the topic is return. Actually, this topic was of the previous week in which we have done the elephant and the birds, but mistakenly, not actually mistakenly, stories from the Quran were written, so I thought that that would be the last chapter, but it was of grade 1. In week 23, they were done with that. And I thought that this is you people. Not a big deal. A man and his donkey is about Allah's love. So first of all, we are going to watch why do we love Allah and belief on Allah. That how do Allah Ta'ala protect us? That how do Allah Ta'ala give Allah Ta'ala has given us everything and He has made everything. He recreates everything. Actually, the stories about a thanklessness or a disbelief on a man. Let us watch the video. Why do we love Allah? Then I will let you know that what is man about, like what a man was thinking and what was the thing he was talking about. Let us watch the video. Why do we love Allah?
Why do we love Allah?
When I look around, I fall in love with the nature. Allah's creation, His beautiful creation, everything I see around me amazes me, with His blessings, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat. This whole universe that He made. The sun and the moon travel with precision. Who else can do this? His blessing in the form of rain. This beauty, after the rain, this snowfall. Can anyone else create forests like these? The plants, trees and flowers around us. This fresh air to breathe and feel. The wind that blows around us. This natural beauty. The lake and its peaceful waves. Look at the sea. Who else can give us this? Sometimes words fall short to express our gratitude.
Now let's see His beautiful creation that He made for us. Have fun.
So children, have you seen the creations of Allah? How He is giving birth to a butterfly, how the flowers are blooming, how the leaves are moving, how He is giving us the rain. Everything He's doing is unimaginable, and even we cannot think of how can something can be made like this. So we are going to read about a story of a man and his donkey, and you will come to know why I have showed you this video. This is the story of a man who passed by a small town with his donkey. The town was completely destroyed. Everyone in it was dead. All the houses had broken and fallen down. The man had heard that after death, Allah will bring everyone back to life. This is what we know very well, that everyone, every human, every animal, every creature who will be dead, he will come back to life on the day of judgment, on near like day of judgment. He will make everything alive. Now, looking at his tongue, he thought, how will Allah do this? Allah knew what he was thinking and showed him how. This is what happened. The man and his donkey died there. He lay dead there for 100 years. Then Allah brought him back to life and asked him how long he had been laying there. Maybe, maybe for a day or two, he answered. Allah told him to look at his food. It had not spoiled. Then Allah told him to look at his donkey. It had died and even its bones had rotted. Allah told him that it was a sign for him and the world to see. Then Allah joined again the bones of the donkey, covered them with flesh, and brought it back to life. This is how Allah showed his signs to the man and all those who wondered how the dead will come back to life. Allah is all powerful. He can give us life, take it away, and then bring us back to life. He has the power to do anything. See, children, Allah showed him the lesson, Allah taught him the lesson that he can do anything. Now the man was like, he was not believing and he was thinking all of the things in his heart. Do you know, whatever we are thinking, even it is not in our heart and it is just in our imagination, Allah knows everything. When he was thinking that everything is destroyed, how Allah will create, then Allah showed him everything and he was dead for 100 years. His food was fresh, but his donkey was died. This is what he was thinking, that how a donkey can be, how Allah can be able to make a donkey na'uzubillah. So Allah Ta'ala in front of him make the donkey sketch again, join his bone, make his flesh, runs the blood into his body and make a complete animal back to life. This is what Allah taught him, that Allah can do anything and nobody, no power can undo Allah's power. This is what we know, that Allah Ta'ala has created everything in the world. Everything in the world, and it is our moral duty, it is our responsibility to believe on Allah and on His creations. Okay? Let us write the difficult words. Completely. Completely. Destroy. Thought. Happened. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. This is your duty to find these words. Answered. Spoiled. Came. Not spoiled. Spoiled is also one, but here spoiled is given. Rotted. Flesh. Wondered. And the last one is showered. These are the words you need to underline. Find them and underline them, okay? Then we are going to do the exercise on given. Students, well, this is the last story of our job. You just find the words, I'm just coming. All are done now? Okay. Now what we are going to do is to write the question answer. I think so this time is enough for you to look on the board. Give me the answer. What did the man see when he entered a small town? What did the man see? The man saw that the town was completely destroyed. This is what he saw. What did the man think? Tell me. The man thought, he thought the bad thing. How will Allah do this? How will Allah bring everything back to life? For how long did the man and his donkey lie dead? Tell that time which Allah has given. They lay dead there for 100 years. How did Allah bring back the donkey back to life? Allah joined, yes, the bones of the donkey. Allah joined the bones of the donkey covered them with flesh and brought it back to life. And the last question is, what lesson do you learn from this story? We have learned that Allah can do anything. This is all about our Islamiyat class. We are done with the book. Our whole book is completed. Each and every topic is finished along with the translation. Now you have to prepare yourself for your papers in which Durud Ibrahimi, Kalma Tamjeed, Rabbana Atina, Mashallah, Inshallah, Subhanallah will come. Okay? When do we say Inshallah? When Allah wishes, like when we think that Allah Ta'ala will do something, if Allah wishes. When we say Mashallah, when we like something. And when we say Subhanallah, to praise something, to praise Allah that He can do anything. So children, I hope you people are watching your Islamiyat lectures carefully. If not yet, then the lectures are available on our channel. Please ask everyone to subscribe your channel because this is the platform to get the knowledge by all means. Take care of you, do your work well. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.